when you have a good conversation with them, they feel risen, right? And then they want to go forward, but then they just kind of get into like they get to the old bedroom, they get to the old habits. They think, oh, I'm gonna do Krav Maga this week, great. I'm sure one bag of potato chips won't kill me, right? They just get into the old habits, right? So what you need to do is you got to actually get them to get some form of a win, I would say, in that time. You could try and eliminate the refund window if you really, really wanted to. Oh, hang on a second. There was an offer I overlooked once, right? And it was on marriage counseling. And they had a refund error, and they came up with something quite interesting. Basically, their whole thing was the fact of refund policies are something we can have, right? However, what you must do, because there's no point in you starting this and then having like 2 days to yourself feeling depressed, right? And then basing your choice to quit based on that. Does that make sense? Okay, so basically how our refund works, if you ever were to do it, right? We find not many people do it now. That was actually true statistics because of this. We don't find many people do it. What we ask is that you have to attend at least one therapy session. You have to attend at least one with your wife, with your husband. See what the counselor says, right? Go through the exercises. And look, if you still then want to pull out because you genuinely actually don't think the marriage is worth it, then it's something we can pick about. But it's a condition to it. Does that make sense? And do you see how that would help you out if you at least got the chance to do it? Yes. Right? DJ, I'm wondering if the same thing will work for you, right? You can
Yes.
have your refund, but they have to do a first session. They have to get part of the community and then make sure as well. No worries, Marlene, go crush it. And then what you can do is make sure that after their first session, you like stop that person and then go, all right, Llewellyn, first session. How did you feel? And what's your win from it? Right? And look, here's something we need to kind of like make sure of because you're getting all these muscles kind of moving around. We got like if we take you through a couple of exercises just to make sure that you're not going to be completely deflated tomorrow, right? Because if you're not hurting now, you can hurt tomorrow. I promise you, right? If we take you through a couple of exercises just so you can cool down, is that good? Great. And whilst you're doing the cool down, just like so, talk me about your experience. Like, was it what you expected? How are you feeling now? Like, and get them to talk about that because that's just going to raise their baseline. Does that all make sense, DJ?
Yeah, that's actually excellent, man.